room 5339, King Executive Suite at the MGM Grand, and I'm going to give you a quick room tour. Got artwork in the hallway as we enter the room, adjoining door, which would make this an even bigger suite. You can see the seating area here, really good seating area, plenty of room to bring some friends up for some drinks. And we've got the large widescreen TV, flat screen. We're on the 5th floor here, so also at the back of the hotel. Did online check-in, so didn't have the option to kind of select a room or speak to an agent, smile nicely, try and get a higher floor. But hey, here's what it is. So yeah, this lounge area is really cool. Plenty of room there. Got a beverage station over here with limited glassware. Considering the size of the room, only 2 glasses in your ice bucket. Of course, we've got that mini bar, and it is fully stocked. Yeah, fully stocked there. More alcohol than soda and water. But the beauty of this and some of the better MGM rooms is the additional refrigerator to put your own items in. Would be beverages, leftover food. There's a QR code here if you'd like to take a look, and you can see the prices of those items. Closet is just here, and it's good size. We've got about 10 hangers there to use. Ironing board, safe. You can see it's a real deep wall safe, so you can easily fit a laptop in there if needs be. Take you through the bedroom. Again, this is a good size bedroom, double bed. We've got the flat screen again on the wall. Your secondary temperature control. Again, we've got more storage around this side. Here's that view again. So nothing too special, but I'm not sure on the traffic noise. I didn't stay here last night. Hopefully it's not too bad. See, bedside unit, we've got alarm station with clock and plenty of ports there, which is good. More drawer storage. Bed itself looking kind of good. This is a clean room. Some of the MGM properties are guilty of wear and tear. This must be fairly newly renovated because I can't see any issues at all. There's your phone for room service, etc. Now let me take you through to the bathroom, and this to me is almost the star of the show. Really nice, clean, spacious bathroom. His and her sinks, dual vanity. The ladies will appreciate the LED lighting in the mirrors. We've got the water closet here as well. Nothing special there, of course. But then we have this amazing shower. Good shower head. We've got the shareable products. It's not the individual bottles. But if we take a look at the shower, the size of it. There's a seating area there. I don't know if that's a waiting area for people who are waiting to take the next shower. There's all that room, and of course the shower itself. So, all in all, a really good product from MGM here. As I said, it's room 5339, MGM Grand King Executive Suite.